Translink builds their stations not just for their passengers and their staff, but the wider community. You know, we're always such a presence in these communities. With the growth in North Belfast, we felt that it was time to invest in a station that really reflected Translink's aspirations.
Transport's the core of regeneration. No matter where you're from, if you can get to somewhere else easily, quickly, you'll do it. Train stations are phenomenal at this.
We see York Street Station as a gateway right into Belfast city centre, but also travelling up north where our network stretches out right up as far as Derry, Londonderry.
Sustainability is massively important for Translink, and we have tried to bring that into York Street Station. You know, we're tying in with other local schemes such as Belfast Bikes to make sure that there's multimodal transport options from the station itself. So not only is it a train station, there's a bus stop directly outside to connect in with other Belfast services, and also there's the active travel, so you can walk and cycle into the Belfast city centre, and it also ties in with the national cycle network here. The design was sustainable from inception. It was always our aspiration to bring forward a carbon friendly building as we possibly could.
We've done our best throughout the project to have a positive impact on the local environment around us with all our green initiatives. The energy reducing things that we've used in the building is our PV panels, which is solar light, which is going to reduce our reliance on the national grid for our electric. Our air source heat pumps is using our natural air to pump the heat around the building so we don't end up just running boilers and burning gas all the time. The new station has accessibility at its core. We want to make sure that everybody can use this station in comfort. We've widened all the platforms, we've provided escalators, we've provided lifts to all levels of the platform. We've lowered the entrance point of the station so as it's on par with the street.
Safety is our number one priority, and Translink, everything that we do is built around safety, particularly that of our staff and our passengers. So it's really important that people have that confidence when they come and use our stations that they are safe. Translink has been a huge employer in North Belfast for over 100 years now. We have the huge engineering facilities located beside the railway station itself.
We have had approximately 40 to 60 people every day working on the job. That's over the course of 18 months. Most of the trades used on this project have been from Northern Ireland. They're local tradesmen and have all benefited from the money and expenditure of the new train station. There's a set of social clauses that need to be met. That's where we bring on young apprentices. 3 members of the team are going to get permanent jobs out of the contract. We have engaged with over 1,000 people from the community. This station's local to them and going to be a hub within their community. Primarily around all our artwork pieces, which is our focal pits on the outside of the building. This will be the new sculpture, which will be in the community garden, and then on the panels along the platform wall.
Translink see York Street Station as a hub for the whole community, as a meeting space for everyone within the area. York Street Station's for everyone.